Hey, I'm making this video because there's been a little confusion around the restore functionality, and I really want to kind of iron that out. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of click restore on this wallet. Yes, I'm going to restore it. I'm going to restore it from scratch. I'm going to pause you guys right now just to put in my 24-word passphrase and my password. And I really want to show out of this video that um, the 24-word passphrase is all you need for this wallet. It's not necessarily that we are regenerating your accounts, because we don't have your accounts. Only the 24-word passphrase has the accounts, and the device, or sorry, the application on your device stores it. So it's completely decentralized. It's no longer have any central authority on your wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 24-word passphrase, pause you guys for a second, and I'll come back and I'll jump into the app. 1 second. All right, so now that I've put in my 24-word passphrase and created my new password, I come into the account and guess what? There's no accounts here, right? This can be pretty frustrating for somebody that probably has some crypto on these accounts, but not to worry. Like I said, we're a completely decentralized wallet. So we're not like any of the other wallets that you guys use that probably have central authorities that are keeping your information on their servers. We completely avoid that. So the way we avoid it is we actually encourage you to create your own accounts, and you create the accounts again when you are restoring the wallet in any platform. So you could have this wallet on multiple different laptops, desktops, and so on, with Chrome enabled. And then when you restore it, you can restore it again with whatever account name you want, right? It doesn't matter, but it'll restore them in the same correct order of the addresses that you had previously. So I'll show you this, right? So I'm creating the account there, and I'm going to put in my password. And there it is. I have an OLT balance of almost 8,000 in this particular account. Similarly, if I were to create an Ethereum account of my Ethereum accounts, right? So if I went to Ethereum and did my Ethereum account there, right, one. And there's my Ethereum balance. So don't be perplexed by the fact that the accounts are not there, and I can create multiple of my OneLedger accounts, my Ethereum accounts, and they will all still persist with the correct balance. One more thing to note is also your domains will persist. So when you're creating your domains, if I go to my domain section, once I've created my accounts, there are the domains that are associated to those accounts. So that kind of gives you an idea that, we're completely detached our wallet from any sort of server that's storing your information. The only thing it does is it reads from the blockchain based on your 24-word passphrase. That's all we care about, and this wallet is completely independent of any centralized system. Thanks, guys.